Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding with Shreya. Yes, I know it's getting late, but I am back again. So we are learning React Native CLi today. Yes, we have done with some videos of basic knowledge of Expo. You can check that videos on my YouTube channel. Now we are going on React Native CLI. There are some comments they want some videos for the CLI. So we are doing that. Okay. So today we are doing React Native CLI with the physical device, not using the Android. We are using the Android, but not the Android virtual device. We are doing that with the physical device. Okay, so let's setting up the environment, development environment. What you need on that, we will discuss on details step by step. Okay, so if you are new to mobile development, you must go with the Expo CLI. There are some Expo CLI videos which I already given on my YouTube channel. You can check those. Some basic knowledge you will surely get on that. And if you still have any queries, you can comment down. Okay. Now, il- if we are already familiar with mobile development, you may want to use React Native CLI. It requires Xcode and Android Studio to get started. So if you have one of these tools already installed, you should be able to run within a few minutes, like quick. But if you are not installed, so you need to spend hours, hours to installing and configuring them. Okay. So I have already installed Android Studio. If you haven't, I will show you the steps. Okay. Let's start with the React Native CLI. So let's first go on installing dependency. So you will need a Node.js. Okay, so need if you have already installed in Node.js, that will be great. If you are not installing Node.js, you need to install that. Okay, so yeah, you can install that by using here is the link where you can install that. It is for Java development kit, and you can search for Node.js. You will get the download link, and you can download it. Okay. Now, come back to Android development environment. What you need for Android Studio? You can download and install Android Studio from here. Like click this link, and yes, download from the here. Like click here, and it will be automatically start downloading. Now, once you download it, you need to click on next to install all of these components. Okay. Now, if you have done with the installation of Android Studio, you need to install the Android SDK. Okay. So when you are Android Studio, install the latest Android SDK by default. And building a React Native app with native code, however, requires the Android 11 SDK in particular. So this window will become. Click on that open Android Studio. Click on Configure button and select SDK Manager. Okay. Now we need to configure this on our environment variable. On user accounts, you can check that how you can configure. You need to add this Android home environment variable on your system. Okay, Android home and Android SDK both. Let me show you on my PC what I had done. So yes, go on the properties. Oh, no, on this PC properties. Right here, environment variables. Okay. environment variables. So like this, you need to open the Android home. Here is your path, and over here you just need to write I am showing that. Like this, you need to define the platform tools over here. Also define the Java home on system variable if you haven't defined. Otherwise, it will give you the error. Okay. So how you can define the environment variables on the platform of settings. Okay. Now, what we do next? So now we are coming back on React Native. So we need to install the React Native initial project. First, we need to init the project. So let's copy this one. Okay, and going on our folder, like I am going on F side, creating a new folder. Like React Native development, and over here I am going on the CMD. Copy this over here and click on enter. So it will take a few minutes to initialize the project, like it will take a 15 to 20 minutes to initialize the project. So let's wait for some minutes. Okay, so look the process, like it will look like this. Okay, like it installing the components. Okay, so when it will be installed, like it will show you something like this, like okay, it will show you the React Native sim, like React Native logo over here, and yes, and it will show you the run instruction for Android and for Windows. So how you can run it over it. Okay. So, okay, we are running on our physical device. So it's on our mobile, right? So how we are running on it, it will show you like that. Let's process on that. Okay, so if you want to install the like particular version, so you can define the version, and whatever the version you want, you can define that and you can install that by just adding the version. You can add template also by defining the template. Now let's preparing the Android device. So we are running on our using physical device. So let's prepare all that. So here it will show that if you have a physical Android device, you can use it for development in place of any AVD by plugging it in your computer using a USB cable. So you need a one USB cable which will be attached with your mobile and PC, and you just need to add USB debugging on your mobile. So you first for that you need a Android, you need to be a developer. So I will show you the mobile over here, and how you can be do it. I will show you here. So now what we are doing is here is my mobile. I am going on settings. Okay. You need to enable the developer options on your mobile. So how you will do that? So on my mobile, I'm going on about phone and MIUI version. It since no need you are already a developer. So you are clicking this on multiple time. You will be a developer. Okay. So you just need to do that. Once you are a developer, you need to go over here. Click over here. USB debugging. Uh, just a minute. Yes, by clicking over here, you just need to own these developer options. Do not forget to do that, otherwise you cannot run your applications. So once you're done with this, okay, here it will give you the using the physical device. If we are going over here, it will told you how you can do. So you need to enable debugging over USB, just like I show you the process that how you will on the USB debugging. By clicking on developer options, you just need that. Okay, so USB debugging, you need to on that. First, you need to be a developer for that. So do not forget to be a developer. Otherwise, it will be you cannot show the USB debugging options on your mobile. So if you have plug in your device via USB just like me, so you just need to copy this command adb devices and go on the CMD. Write this adb devices. So if your mobile is connected, it will be show you this like this list of devices attached. So like this. So my device name is here, and we can see that it is already attached. So how you will run your app on your mobile? So now it's just a one step. So you just need to copy this command. Go on your command prompt. Go on your folder or some project. Okay, and like copy this, paste this command over here, and put an enter. So it will take you the few minutes for installing some things, and will also ask, it will ask you on your mobile that you want to install this application or deny that. So you need to accept it, and it will be like it will be installed in your mobile, and you can check it in your mobile. So it will take a few minutes. Let's wait for that. So look, here it is saying the installing the app, and node the node CLI has been open, and it will be like, yeah, running over here. Like click this. It will ask in your mobile that app, install the app or not. I will show you over here. Okay, so it's showing like this, and we are, yeah, installing this. Ah, okay, so I think it will give us the error because we cannot install it. So we need to run that again. Okay. It will initialize like this, like 0% initializing to like connecting to diamond. It will take a few minutes. It will ask you for the permissions. I cannot wait. Okay. I installed it. I clicked on install and it will installing. So it will take some time for installing. Like yes, will successfully run this is okay. So will successfully run. Now we just need to again click over here because of some issues. It will show you nothing. So I am running this command again. Okay, if you are also getting this error or something like that, do not worry. You can run this command again, and you will get the solutions. So yes, it will take some moments, like not like the first one, because you can see here, just like this project has been created, like our some project or some project. So the project build file has been created over here. So it will take a few minutes, and it will be running on your mobile. You can see here that it will sing the installing the app, and it's running again the initialization process. So it started like yeah, it will take a few minutes again for initializing the process and running on the app on your mobile. So it will take a few minutes. Let's wait for that. Okay. Okay, so it is finally done. Like our first app, which is installed in our physical device, we have created the first React Native app. We are doing the code over here, but for like this one, we are just installing the setting of the development environment. That will be done. Like look at this. Okay. it is done built successfully. Also, when it is running, it shows that running over some project with root tag. And yes, you can check over here that in our mobile we are showing the welcome to React Native. Okay, and so the environment variable, environment and the basic setup has been done in our PC and mobile. Yes, we done the project with the physical device. Okay, so we can do we can connecting to the development server. So how we do that? Okay, yeah, ADB we had done these one, all this one. Okay, also we can connect via Wi-Fi, but yeah, we don't need that, right? So setting up the environment. So the video is over for now. Like we had done the setting of the development environment for React Native in a with by using our physical device, not an Android or virtual device. Yes, we had installed. I have already installed Android Studio on my laptop. If you are getting any error by installing the Android Studio, or like you are getting any issues with defining the variable or something like that, you can comment down that I will surely help you. So if you like this content and if you like this video, just share it, like it, and also subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for connecting with Coding with Shreya, and stay tuned for the next video. Let's meet soon. Thank you.